Hi, everybody. This is Jeremy. So, what we're going to do right now is we're going to do a small hypothetical case study for distribution risk as it relates to buyers. So, let's pretend that I am a financial advisor and I'm going to buy 20,000 shares of SPY for my clients. Select SPY. 20,000 shares is the aggregate amount of SPY that I'm going to purchase for the portfolio, and I can calculate the risk. Okay. So as a portfolio manager, I am probably going to be holding these securities for longer than 61 days. So we're going to be looking at qualified income, correct? Now, if you're not going to be looking, if you're looking for a shorter duration, you're planning on swing trading this, then you want to look at the ordinary income loss. Okay. So as a financial advisor or professional, if I buy these securities today at a very minimum, depending on my holding period, I'm going to lose $5,300 for my clients. Well, does that make sense? And what are my options? The second thing you should look at is the risk gauge here. It's in a high risk mode. The risk is almost maxed out, right? And I come down here and I see that the upcoming ex-dividend date is March 17th. Today is March 6th. So we're about 10 days away from the dividend paying. As you guys know, once the dividend pays, all of that accrued income is paid out of the fund. And basically, what happens is the dividend risk resets back to zero. Okay. So, unless I urgently need to put this money to work as a financial advisor and having a fiduciary duty to protect my clients, I'm going to say, look, I am just going to add this to a watch list or a portfolio, and I'm going to wait till this dividend pays before buying 20,000 shares of SPY. Why? Because it's going to save my clients anywhere between $5,000 and $10,000, depending on how long I hold this security. So, as a financial advisor and an investor, this is kind of the approach that you should use when analyzing these securities. This only takes a minute to do. And again, you save between 5 and 10 grand, which over the course of the next 30 years at 8% could be anywhere between $50,000 and $100,000 difference. And that's material. So, this is a small case study on distribution risk for buyers. In the next video, we're going to look at distribution risk for selling 20,000 shares of this security. I hope you guys are liking this videos. If you are, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so that you can be notified. And also follow us on Twitter at FairShares Inc. Thank you guys so much. Have a nice day.